Hi Scholarly friends! If you want to know how to add audio file to slides and solve this error, then keep on watching this video. If you have a local copy of the audio file you want to insert on your computer, upload it to your drive and then use the Google Drive tab to search and locate it. Google Slides supports MP3 and WAV audio formats. To add the audio to Google Slides, open your presentation, click Insert on the menu bar, and select Audio. A window will pop up where you can search for an audio file on your drive. Find your file, then click Select. Your audio is now embedded in your slide. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, giving you a few options. If you go to Audio Playback and set your audio to start playing and select automatically, then you won't have to click on the icon every time. Further down, you can select Loop Audio, or if you want to stop on slide change, to ensure that the audio doesn't repeat on loop. Hide icon when presenting is useful if your audio is playing automatically, so the audio icon doesn't take up space on your slide. That's pretty much how you add audio to your slides file. But if you stumble across this error, you may have to disable any extensions which would block cookies such as ad blockers. Those extensions might interfere with Google Slides' ability to create or play the audio files. You go to Chrome and turn off Block Third-Party Cookies. If you have any concerns, feel free to comment down below. Like this video and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tricks.